I knew I'd learn a lot when I became a dog owner. I just never expected to become an expert at how to get dog vomit out of carpet. Now, the first thing you want to do when this happens is you want to get an old rag or some paper towels, clean the chunks off and get them out of the way, just so you're down to liquid. Then you want a dry rag, and you're going to put the dry rag on the affected area. You don't want it wet, as that's going to press it into it, but you dry rag it, you basically pat it down and get up as much liquid as you can. From there, you want to remove the rag and apply a liberal amount of baking soda to the affected area. This will basically soak up the excess liquid. After that, you can take a paper towel or just something to show it and cover it up. You need to let it dry for 30 minutes or an hour. After it dries, you're going to remove the paper towel and vacuum up the baking soda. What you're going to notice is that there is a whitish area where the vomit once was, and that the carpet is a little stiff. So to get rid of the whitish area, you take water and add a bit of lemon juice. Make sure you stir it. And then you spread it on the whitish areas. What you should be noticing is a little bit of bubbling as the lemon juice reacts with the baking soda. Now, you do use a wet rag and you clean up the rest of it. If you come back later and it's dried and there's still some stiff areas, you want to reapply the water and the lemon juice. One word of warning. If you've got a really expensive carpet or something special about it, please do a little more research than a 2-minute video. Thank you for watching.